Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take screenshot and a long screenshot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. There are three ways to take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone. First method is using power button and volume down button together. This is a normal method. Okay, in all phones this method will be available. Okay, whether it is Vivo, Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, whatever may be, this method is the convenient and this is the conventional method. Okay, old method, and this method is commonly used everywhere. Okay, now I show how you should take a screenshot using this. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. I want to take a screenshot from this page. Okay, I go to Google Chrome, and from this home page itself I would like to take a screenshot. For taking a screenshot, use power button and volume down button together, that is simultaneously you go to press these two buttons. Okay, see here, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, you should have longer page. There is a page beyond your screen size. Okay, so here I have scrollable page, so long screenshot is possible. Okay, as usual, press simultaneously power button and volume down button. Okay, and then in the captured image, click here, and if you click once it will enlarge. Okay, if you click again it will enlarge again. So according to your page length it will go and go on. If you click on. Okay, if you want to stop, then just click on the image. Okay, or if you delay, it will automatically end. Okay, I have delayed, so automatically end. Long screenshot is end. Okay, and I do it. See here, I click. So if you want to end immediately, click over the image and it will be ended. And give all permissions. This is the long screenshot that I took using power button and volume down button. Okay, if you want to edit this long screenshot, yes, you can do it. Use editing option, and there are various editing tools available: crop, adjust, filters, markup, more options are available. So if you want to use particular editing tool, yes, you can do it. For example, I would like to type something over the long screenshot. So here I just type hello and click on done, and that will be printed on the long screenshot. Okay, also you can change color, so whatever editing you want, you can do it. Finally click on done and click on save your copy, and it will be saved to the local folder. Okay, this is the first method of taking screenshot and long screenshot. I show another method. Second method, this is called palm swipe method. With your palm, just swipe in the screen from left to right or right to left. Okay, I show the demo. Go to the screen as usual. This is the screen in which I would like to take a screenshot. Okay, so here swipe from the left to right like this. Screenshot is taken. Okay, or swipe from the right side to left side. Yes, taken. Okay, so with your palm, just swipe like this. Okay, for taking long screenshot, the same process. First take normal screenshot and click on the enlarging icon here, and it will enlarge. See here, it's enlarging. So this is the long screenshot. If you want to edit long screenshot, yes, you can do it. Okay, otherwise leave it. This is the second method of taking screenshot and long screenshot. I will show the final method, that is third and final method of taking screenshot and long screenshot. That method is accessibility menu menu method. Okay, so you have to turn on accessibility menu, and then from the accessibility menu you will find this screenshot icon. You can use that screenshot icon to take a screenshot and long screenshot. Now I will teach you how you do it. Just go to the settings of your phone first, and then go to accessibility, then go to interaction and texturity, and go to assistant menu. Okay, assistant menu, and give all permissions, and yes, this is the assistant menu. You can track and place anywhere on the screen. Okay, I have placed it here, and for taking screenshot, as usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I go to one web page called facultyon.com. This is my own website for listing faculty and teachers jobs. Okay, from which I would like to take a screenshot. So click on the assistant menu option, and here you will find a screenshot icon. Just click it and screenshot will be taken. For taking long screenshot, the same process. Go to the assistant menu and then go to screenshot icon, and after taking screenshot, click on the scrolling icon. Okay, see here. Yes, this is the long screenshot that I took using assistant menu option. If you want to edit, you can use editing tool. Okay, so in these three methods you can take a screenshot and a long screenshot in your phone. If you want to see the screenshot that you took, you go to the local folder. I will show how you go. Just go to the home page and go to Samsung and go to my files. Here go to internal storage, then here go to pictures, not pictures, here essentials only showing. Click on all, and here go to DCIM, go to screenshots. Okay, in the DCIM folder itself, screenshots folder are available. Okay, just click the screenshot folder, and here you will see all screenshots that you took using different method. Okay, see here. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.